how to create a video with pictures and videos. So if you want to create a video using pictures and some of the videos and merging them, you can simply use CapCut. Now there are also other applications as such, but in this case I'll just select CapCut only. Now I can either choose some of the preset templates. Now it's a free app, so I have to deal with some of the ads right here. So I can choose the template option right here, and I can choose some of the templates that I want for the video, right? So if I select this template, I want this template, I can tap the use template. I can add a couple of photos to this, so I'll simply go ahead and add some photos, and I can also add a few videos actually. So I can combine both the photos and both the videos, and once then I can tap the next option, and right there you can basically see that I have successfully went ahead and then basically added the photo as well as with the video and combined them into using the template. Now another way is you can also do this as a manual process by going to new project option, selecting a couple of photos, going to videos and adding a video. It will automatically create a plain simple video along with all the photos with it. So you can see photos and you can see videos. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video.